Hey people, so we are at this cute event at Forum Mall Kukatpally, and that is Ayush, and they have some kind of drawing competition, and it looks, it's just so relaxing to watch these kids do these drawings. It's in association with some brand, but this being a Sunday and Mother's Day, it is very crowded, as you can see. But that is my child, and he's doing it with such concentration, really. And yeah, this is how Forum Mall looks. Forum Mall Kukatpally, and it's a busy mall. So yeah, my child was so keen that he be a part of this, and I'm so happy on his behalf. So that's what it is. And it's a crowded mall, and this is on a Sunday, Mother's Day.